TBT in the building right now. I'm gonna let my man shout himself out, give himself his own plug. We're going ahead.
Shout out to TBT, you know what I mean? Shout out to Levanye and the Soiree 4. This is Tro Magic plugging in, you know what I'm saying? You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram. I am Tro Magic. You know what I'm saying? It's real easy. It's magic with a K. You know what I'm saying? So just want to give a shout out to everybody who's supporting all the artists in Boston. And let's just put some work in, you know what I mean? Get together, unity.
There we go. Let them know what your artistry is. You know, you're a rapper.
I'm a musician.
Let them know.
You know what I mean? People might look at me and think I'm a rapper. I'm a musician. You know what I mean? I'm an artist. I write my own music. You know what I mean? I can also produce. I like to paint as well. You know what I mean? I'm an artist. I'm an over creative thinker, you know what I mean? Like, that's what I'm into.
Actually, let them know.
Bro, O right here. Shout out to O.
Where we from, though?
We from the Bean, by the way.
Yeah, but where's the motherland at?
Africa.
Where's the other motherland at?
And what did you talking about, bro? Oh, bro. You talking? Oh, man.
Yo.
Zoe?
All three here, man.
Zoe. So you seen that? America, Africa, Haiti.
Yeah.
A solution to, you know what I'm saying? Yo. Catman, yo. I just have me some LD collé avec sauce poivre. I have D collé with sauce poivre. I am a big bean eater. So no. If you're gonna feed me, make sure you beef up my plate.
My man. Hey, TBT Media, my man.
We out here,
We out here, Magic.
All around the world.
We'll see you outside.
Damn, yo. So, we in a nice place.
Here we go.
Shout out to Tony.
Oh,
That's you.
let him know, my man.
What's up?
Where we at?
TBT Media, baby. That was a good way to end it.
Bang.
Tro Magic music, baby.
We okay.
Oh, we great. We gonna survive.